This is the will of God, he says. That is, this is God's purpose, his plan, his will for every single one of his children. That is that you and I are to give thanks to God in every circumstance and no exception. In everything, if I ask you, isolated from this message, what does everything include? You would say what? Everything. So that means all of my pain, hurt, suffering, sorrow, difficulty, losses, pleasures, in everything I'm to give thanks. Now, he doesn't give us any instructions how to do that. So what is the key to that? If I'm to give thanks, as he says, in every single thing, it's easy, for example, to give thanks in your house when there's a new baby born, or when you have a new home or a new car and you're going on a vacation. Lots of things to be thankful for. But what about the suffering, the heartaches, the trials, the difficulties, and things we don't understand? You have to put both those in the same bucket, because he says we're to give thanks in everything.